Now, the first Jamaican politician to test positive for the coronavirus is the mayor of Port Maria. Richard Creary confirmed his positive test in a news release earlier today. Shamela Pullen reports.
In a statement, Mayor of Port Maria Richard Creary said he started to experience symptoms last week and decided to self-quarantine. He was tested after contacting the Ministry of Health. It came back positive. Mr. Creary added he has been in isolation at home since and has been cooperating fully with the health department. Interestingly, Mr. Creary was in attendance at the Jamaica Labour Party National Executive meeting last week in St. James. It's not clear his level of involvement in the campaign for Member of Parliament for South East St. Mary, Dr. Norman Dunn. This development comes on the heels of warning from the Ministry of Health last week that people need to be mindful of COVID-19 protocols ahead of the September 3 general election. Meanwhile, political ombudsman Donna Parchment-Brown says her office has submitted guidelines on COVID-19 protocols for the upcoming general elections to political parties.
The guidelines also reflect the directives of the Ministry of Health and Wellness and the Electoral Office of Jamaica. A number of matters are covered in the guidelines issued by the Office of the Political Ombudsman. These include activity in terms of physical campaigning in communities, activities on nomination day, activities on election day, code signing by candidates, campaign finance, and other matters.
Questions have also been raised about whether people with the virus will be allowed to vote. But for the political ombudsman,
anyone who knows that they may put the public at risk has to have that in the front of their mind when they consider what they will do. We anticipate that there will be a polling station in the parish of St. Thomas that persons who wish to vote may be able to attend. Everyone has to make sure that they obey any instruction from the police or from the officials of the Electoral Office and Electoral Commission.
Candidates contesting the election will also sign the Code of Conduct later this week. Shamela Pullen, TVJ News.